person did it, and the place might be named after you, like the ruin will be named after you, and you might even, in your name get a sort of sir before something like that that will give other people the idea that, oh, this is a person who's done a lot for our community, and this person is really sort of important.
So your actions affect the lore of the game.
Yeah. So you might be playing the game and you're hanging out in a certain area, and area is named after somebody, and you don't really know why. You talk to somebody and say, oh yeah, he did this important thing, a while back. And then you can meet that player and be like, wow, you were actually the guy who did that thing. Wow, I know you. So I'm trying to build like story that isn't as artificial, that is a real story, that is sort of what has actually happened in the game, and people react to real events rather than, something that just artificially has been created by the game designers.
And it just shoots little, it hits you with it.
So in order to build games like that, you need to, take World of Warcraft. They have an infinite amount of artists and designers sitting working on, new content for players. And I'm alone. I can't do that. I can't build everything by hand, especially if you destroy something I built, that's destroyed, and no one else gets to play it. So, I can't make an adventure from a single player. So, by doing that, by having that problem, I have to solve it some other way. And the way I solve it is by building procedural things. So one of the things I want to explore is building, in a movie you have a director. Just figuring out, this is going to be really cool, if you put the camera over here, you'll have a guy attacking him from behind, that's going to be exciting. Things like that, we'll say, I want something to, from the explosion to fly really close to the camera because it looks cool, And in a game you have a director as well, but the director can't really control what's going to happen because the director is making the decision, years before people actually play the game. So what I'm trying to do is build sort of a digital director who's, when you're playing, can sit and judge what's going on. And say, okay, this would be really cool. The players would think it would be really unfair if this happens. Well, let's not make that happen. Let's make the likelihood you're going to die just before you, get the treasure a little less, because that'll just piss people off and things like that. So.